So this is a quick demo of me trying to show you how to assemble these hard covers. So we start out with the laminated sticky back stuff that we printed. I showed you the rigid kind of chipboard as well as the end sheet. So this is sticky back label stock called Crack and Peel. So you just kind of fold it to peel off the liner, and this one's not coming off all in one sheet, but that's okay. Just kind of peel it off, and you definitely don't want to do what I just did and drop it or let it stick to itself, because if you do, it'll probably tear and you'll end up having to go back through the process of printing this out. There's a little bit of a curl anytime you laminate something, so it's a little bit of a pain. Sometimes you can just tape the edges down, or I'm just kind of using my fingers on the underside to kind of hold that down, and you're just kind of visually aligning this. So that's why we don't want to put anything real close to the edges in our design. This is where understanding the production process will help you from the design, in the design phase. I'm taking a sharp razor knife and this what we call mitering tool that's kind of a recessed, got a little recess in it that hooks onto that thick chipboard, and allows us to create these little corners so that when we fold it over, we'll get a nice kind of diagonal seam, so everything comes together and looks very finished. And so once I get that trimmed out all the way around, just kind of fold it over. They do have some other equipment that helps you do this part, but I found if you just kind of fold it over a little bit like I'm doing, we'll kind of start the fold, and then you just kind of press it down by hand. You can see I've got a little plastic squeegee there on the work table that I can use to kind of help smooth that around all the way, to just kind of burnish that in place, so we want it, we get a nice good bond. Then I'm going to take my end sheet. You kind of get an idea what it's going to look like. I'm going to take my end papers or end sheet. Again, it's sticky back material. It's kind of hard to see in this video, but it does have some something printed on there, and we're trying to get it so that we get a nice even, what we call reveal, all the way around. Again, this is kind of a crack and peel product where you just kind of fold it over a little bit, and then kind of takes the liner off, and then I just like to do half at a time, because once we do that first half, it's going to hold that position, and then we just kind of do it one half at a time, and it kind of holds everything in position nicely for us, and that's kind of it. So we would repeat that and be done.